In this video, we'll learn how to use a personal or company Notion workspace as a knowledge base for your AI agent. The first thing we'll need to do is install the Notion integration from the Botpress hub. Next, we'll give our bot access to our Notion workspace. On this page, you can select which pages or groups of pages you want your bot to have access to. In this example, we'll give our bot access to the marketing workspace. Finally, I'll go ahead and create my new knowledge base. From here, I'll select Notion as my source and decide again which pages I want to include in this specific knowledge base. If you have multiple Notion pages or groups, you can give different access to different knowledge bases across different files. And that's it. We can go ahead and test this out, and our bot will respond using the information contained in our company workspace. Pretty cool. Happy bot building.